Popular everywhere you go. My mama with competition, and my partner in competition. If you look for me, who equal with competition. Equal with competition. Yeah, man. Equal with competition. Yeah, man. I'm zero competition with no one. Yeah, man. My mama run with competition. Yeah, man. Baby, look for me, who yeah, man.
Equal with competition, we're gonna competition.
If you look for my way, equal with competition.
Make we share.
Before my competition, Uwa, in my setting for competition. What your coat on in my setting there, competition. Why you go, me my joke. Competition. Uwa, me my dome, competition. Where are you? Competition.
Welcome, listen to Mama Nora.
Equal with competition. Yeah, man. So I go on and I do a girl on my paper.
Eh, what I do?
I do a girl on my head. So I'm done and I do a girl on my baby. So I open and I do a girl on my baby. So I be more bien and I do a girl on my baby.
Mama Nora, you finish me?
I do a girl on my baby. So I be a bit never will go. I do a girl on my baby.
Hello, brother and sister. Hello, I come out with you.
What's that thing can be paper yet? Okay, yes. What's that thing can someone appear? Not keep this one appear, or you give us one. What's that thing can promote? Not keep this one boy, you get this one. Riama Conde, say I'm your welcome. As I say, no, say I'm your welcome. As I say, I'm your welcome. Say I'm your welcome. Say no, say I'm your welcome. Equal with competition. Yeah, man. Equal with competition. Yeah, man. I'm zero competition with no one. Yeah, man. I want to run with competition. Yeah, man.
Don't let me share. Go listen to Mama Nora.
Yeah, man. When I come on there,
okay.
Where you want no mommy? We're not my baby. We're performing no baby. Again, Rudara Mapona, if I'm anywhere, we know. Essay, I hope you know.
Hey, Beru, la say utakarish. My people, see me see wahala. No, I don't say see me see wahala. My people, I see video where our community wife he do because he do the video where he and no get the fact where take call social and agbalegbe for a nogie. Now I see the video and I talk put I not even serious I not even sit down like this say make a serious man do nya. I only put the pet when you no get the drag. Now I put to say I don't want me you come out for that house man so if you come out I go beat you. People go laugh. Even me now me be number first. My sister now wetin I talk about him. When I go watch the video I not talk about you. Now I see say my friend. You know say I call you my friend. You be my friend though, Mama Nora. You be my friend though. You don't know say you be my friend. As you talk to me for that video, now I want to take a reply you. Now make I call you my friend. And not be say you just sit down, talk to me, but I go outside you. You understand? You be my friend. Our community wife one can reply me. Now I say this bullet too much now. Mama Nora not be me cause of depression now. You understand? I don't know. I think say na let me want depression the word. I don't know say see joy you. How you say 4 children now make your throat crack. I get pikin no, Mama Nora. I wish I don't get pikin now. If you dey talk all this one now, I go the end. You go the enter my ear. 4 pikin, you make your voice crack. listing. Fekelekete. What's up in listing?
Yours.
But can I go back?
Say Italian government want take her life for house arrest. Or yes, that boy if you want the house arrest. Hey, the person want talk. He say, Mama Nora, if you leave your husband, I go to beat you for this media. I go to finish your life for this media. You better you update that marriage. Oh. My question is as
my friend, Mama Nora. Not bad, you know. It might take me down. More listing. My friend. Don't leave your marriage, oh. May I go advise you say make you leave your marriage? I don't feel advise you because if you come out, I go beat you. Igbo egbe, not be lie. Now the truth I tell you. Now this nobody go tell you the truth. I go tell you. Iye me, a marriage in the community you. A marriage in my yard donate. Let me hear more. If I hear before you come out for the marriage, if you know want more, ask you question. All the money we will contribute, where all of us contribute, you who buy that you don't want.
How we want that for us arrest. You feel finish your mama for this media. You feel finish your papa for this media. Your sister, you feel finish them. Who be me when you don't go see me?
My friend don't concur. He don't submit. Mama Nora, as he submit like this, so he sure say I go saga you again. I think say now be the king of saga. Mama Nora, you concur. If who can be me where you know if it be CJ? Mama Nora, you concur. You submit. My brother, my sister, it's too early to submit. It's too early. Oh, it's too early to submit, my bro sister. My friend, I will call you my friend today. It's too early to submit, eh? Okay, now agree say that maybe the king of saga. Una concur. Oh yeah, Larry Gade. Yeah, Mama Nora no.
When me take get belle, when they beat me according to you. She beat the beat, they pitch me for body, abi. Me when you they beat, I get freedom. You when they beat me, you there we will.
Mama Nora, my friend, this may not be say you no answer me. Now you did answer. You understand? You know, say I did answer rest. I did comfortable. I did comfortable for my husband's house. I know they get sleepless night. Say my husband. I better pass you, Mama Nora. No quarrel when not the marriage. Anybody will talk say never quarrel for a marriage. That person they deceive you. But my own now you'll be like your own. Your is liability, a womanizer. It doesn't give you rest of mind. Nothing. My dear, they go break it, not go put the family first. My dear, I better pass you. Better. You see, you don't get rest of mind for your marriage. But me where they ask arrest. You see the name? As arrest. As at the rest. Oh, so no your dog do me. Oh yeah, go. I don't want to see you. You go inside. I don't want to see you. I don't want you to show you. So, where I know think about anything. See you with get freedom. You not get rest of mind for marriage. See what you put up for your video. More list to finish. More your list the video not long.
All your life, you use and take the house arrest. See, when people want to talk, they fear me. Now they fear them. Now they fear what people want to talk. What people want to talk, they fear me. Now only children and cough get right to take my voice.
You like
never bother man. We go take say stress go carry my voice. Now make I
no one boy no give way go take your voice. Your children now take your voice like this. Mama Nora. But more listen to you finish. I will carry and go back again. I can analyze them. May you start for the beginning again. I not go talk. More you're listening.
Again, one person for this about space.
Ma, you're listening. I not go talk.
Government want take her life for house arrest. Or yeah, that boy you feel the house arrest. Hey, the person want talk. He say, Mama Nora, if you leave your husband, I go to beat you for this media. I go to finish your life for this media. You better your dead that marriage. Oh. My question is, sister, when you want that for house arrest, you feel finish your mama for this media. You feel finish your papa for this media. Your sister, you feel finish there. Who be me when you don't go feel beat? Since when me take get belle, when they beat me according to you, she beat the beat, they pitch me for body. Me when you they beat, I get freedom. You when they beat me, you did all your life use and take the house arrest. See, when people want to talk, they fear me. Now they fear them. Now they fear what people want to talk. What people want to talk, they fear me. Now only children and cough get right to take my voice. They never bother man when go take say stress go carry my voice. Now make I say what people want to talk, they fear me. Now they fear what people want to talk. Hey, that yours did that marriage. The marriage they give awards. It's when we did the marriage. Anybody they give awards. Instead, people they pay for the marriage. People they benefit for the marriage. And if you don't leave that marriage, Amanara, not let me hear them. Anything we not get you do you. If you not quarrel, you know your talk come out to. Because of you when they house arrest, I can't really get problem from my house. I said because of you, may I not talk come out. Or because of Moon and not beat me, may I not carry my bag. I okay, they wait till people want to talk, they fear me. Yes. If wait till people want to talk, if you see me, they run. Now they fear them. You know, did they give award in our marriage now? Did they give us the award? Then one man, because they stress my life, that I'll go say, hey, oh.
I was forced to pause it there. That way you do marriage. Because of you. And no get no bath on the day of that marriage. Because of you, God lost for inside that marriage. You remember say that during your marriage time, now this God tell us. You don't forget, say, this God of 18, now because of your marriage, now the God tell us. And no get no bath for your marriage day. Do you know how many people that contribute for that marriage? Then you want to talk. Say, you know, if you go back from one man, you the man. Marriage where you do. Where you got they do pepper there. You got to do ring like this. You got the flaunt ring like this. You know, say, we never married before. You know, say, but my married there. You got the flaunt ring like this. You got to do like this. My husband. I don't come out for single mother. I don't come out for single mother. Single mother, bye-bye. Mother, hey. You want to tell me, say that marriage. Mama Nora. I they repeat it again. And I see they talk again. That marriage, if you come out. If I beat you. Hey. You want to leave my brother. You want to leave my brother Enoge. Hey. You know who say I be APC or PDP. At that time, I go be like my papa that time. When you see money, why will I contribute money for her? It could be on her friend. Enoge, now you worry. You want where they leave my friend they go? My friend Enoge, my paddy. Where you not bath on the day of that marriage? Where is stress on top of the marriage? With that way, only you go the moon. You the crazy, you the wine. Mama Nora, you know the fear face? You won't leave my brother. Marriage, you know the year they don't tell una. I tell una, say marriage what they do. Una, I don't understand. Marriage is for better, for worse. Anything where you see for the marriage, you take it. You understand? So, you bear it. Marriage like education. We are just learning every day. You understand? Anything we might do you, I use her raw body. That is your portion now. Who want carry you for 4 children? After this slippers where they do laga so, who want carry you? Where you don't say men now if you don't want knock like this, if they never touch pumpy, if they never touch breast, Mama Nora, see your own breast. It be less slippers in the clap. You the wine, you the grace. And you get no lose. But we ain't no get for the fuck up, he say. After this quarter, the apple. If you and Mama Nora, the quarter, if not they play, now that time guests stay the rush follow you. But when the Mama Nora don't pursue you for outside, you don't go see anybody. We will go put you for us. You are abandoned reject. Mama Nora, I see the manage you. Eh? Mama Nora pursue you put for outside now. Nobody feel accept you. They don't grab you. Oh, our investors say no gay. When woman go flee come out like this, another woman go pick her up. But you all not be like that. Because why? Who want carry you a no gay? Only see only your teeth alone. I been at that one, Mama Nora, they see now they wrong. Go and treat your teeth very well. Mama Nora go pursue you. No woman go put you for house. But if you don't do Mama Nora say you don't be happy, now that time guess go the wrong call, go the shook apple, that they miss you, that they do this one. Eh? When Mama Nora don't pursue you, say your mom na carry now, nobody go grip with you for us, and you call yourself investors and no gay. No one can tell me, who want carry liability put for us? Eh? Who want carry liability put for us? Tell me. You don't get swag, nothing. Oh, borrow. Imagine Mama Nora, they use it to the play ball for outside. Me, I'll come pursue my husband come for us. Answer me. Me. That means I don't let better thing now. After I don't suffer with a finish, when God don't bless her with everything finish, and I'm waiting women the fair be that one, I'll come pursue him. I decrease. Because you are a liability. Imagine. Now breast too big. And that make the breast too big. That make her. Eh? Mama Nora, don't try to come out for your marriage. I can see they tell you. No man go carry you. No man go carry you. Yeah, even though they see not to knock you, bench you, throw away. Better your beard, yeah, not come out to. Now maybe number one I saw. Now maybe the leader that lead others follow when you go to your marriage, if you divorcee. When you divorcee. You understand me so? This is what I will do to you. Now maybe number first, you know, now maybe your number one enemy. No triumph. You understand? Now you're triumph. You're triumph. You know as a look, because of benefits and the bomb. See the repercussion now. You see the repercussion? Because now make no get to do any 4 children. Even the tell you say make come do a journal after the 1 year anniversary. I want to do your baba eh. What that's how the man as a rest no guy. You know why I like you for the video what you do. You just measure my name where. Eh? You just measure my name where. But I not go bias for this video. You understand? No more we carry out. Now my sister like they talk to like that. No, my sister, you know they see a package if they come out for live video. If you want to do content, you don't see a package. You want to tell me say no man go see her. After you don't do content finish, you go through a brazier. Brazier go take cotonu. My breast, the breast will come like this. A content fake lie. Fake lie. Oh yeah, let's listen to you.
They go to beat me, oh, hey, oh, they go to yanga me, oh, and who say me they not beat her, who say me they not laugh her, they go crying. They better laugh me than to cry me. I don't did that category say I don't want put to make a beer. Oh, if the nonsense too much, the abuses say he did no home for not a quarrel. But if he too much, I carry my bag and leave.
Now that one they vex me for inside. You got nowhere. You died here. Oh. Yeah, man. I don't say make you not leave. If you want to leave, it's your choice. But before you leave, I beg, for now, I go carry barrel, I can calculate the money where they donate for you for your marriage. You go bring all of the come out time. That we have no explanation to. You want forward? You want for Elogian? Elogian fast, oh yeah? Man, not let my mother phone now, though. You the crazy, where you they go? My husband, where you new marry, ring there your hand. My husband, my husband, my husband. You can't put ring for her like say you never see ring before. Even ring, when me te do my common marriage. Oh, you now gold. We buy a 1,000 euro. My husband 500, my own 500 for Esther Loga, Joy Store, waiting for the set gold. Yeah, we marriage for the next another year. Where did you wear your bar? My husband, where the marriage there? My husband, my husband, my husband, my husband, Maggie for. Now you want to tell me, say, marriage is not for do or die. You lie. Marriage waited to prepare there. Our luxurious marriage. He says it's not for do or die. Are you mad? Mama Nora, are you mad? Are you okay? Our luxurious marriage. Where God for loss. And not get not bad for a marriage day. You want to say marriage not before do or die. You lie. Utoge. You died here. You want to leave my brother in Ogi. Who was you? You didn't want. Who are kakaria? Who are kakaria? My mama saw where. A document in where Muhia. A master the Memuhia mama saw where. My own document where me get in no strong pass your own. Oh, so when now? Oh, when for the Jamie, only the Jamie. My own not to travel. Not to travel. If I get freedom now, you see me for Nigeria. I'll not be saying I'm my man. You then want to renew my document, not be saying I'm my man. No, you know they had me again. Even the coup door, you don't even pass safe. Now they wait for the time reach me, they go put her for renewal. You then want? I know better pass you. Bring your document, come on. Bring your document, come on. May I bring my own? May I see say my document strong pass you. You then want? You then Chris? I know better pass you. Imam Masa, what you compare us and rest with yourself? I know they government also. Government not they feed me. Oh. Government not they pay my ass rent. Oh. Now as I read just chest time with my husband. You then want? Who went bell? Who was soon? Like marriage in Ire. Now me supposed to they complain the way you they complain. Say my husband want to leave me. I married not before do or die. Oh. Now because I tell us arrest, now my husband they do me like this. Instead, now maybe the baba. Now maybe the baba of my marriage. You understand? Now woman I the whole marriage. And now my marriage gidigba. And they comfortable for my husband gidigba. I not get complaint gidigba. Now me they even they give the complaint. Now me they even they give the body. Now me they even they give the wahala. Now me. Because I not be woman where see before my husband no agree leave me, not be saying my see the grace for you. I not foul, but I be woman material. If they talk on. I not foul be woman material. You understand? Forget this my gra bet. My husband say people don't know what they lose. Sometimes you go look. You say your ass don't know what you live. If they even they pray for my ass. Not be saying now my mind. I go repeat this word if he did around. If he did around, I will repeat her again. If they pray for my ass. Sometimes he go say, eh? If they pray for her, not be say, you don't want now as arrest with grace, so you get it back. Otogu. I know the lack of my marriage now. Not the way me and my husband forget when they get down. Not be say, quarrel the day marriage. Well you shot. If you see say my voice don't too loud, say my vaccination they not fit control again. My guy so fit carry a singlet pull here he move come up for house for me. After my mind don't come down, he go come house. You self he come eat, he will go sleep. Marriage now for better for worse. Marriage no Mr. Understanding they marry but your own. You dey quarrel that time when they your marriage too much now. I mean what day my girlfriend not marry. A no get cheat past my godfather. You then why? Come on, get inside, go and left for my mother. Now your mouth now where pass. Come on, get inside and go and take care of your marriage. Biara, you know Enoge is a cheater. You have to bear it. You have to bear it, oh. You know Enoge is a cheater. That is where that time you can't go rush. Make them put money for your head. No, not lie. Because my mate do, you want do. My godfather do, make them not call they laugh you. Oh, now see, marriage is when you understand yourself. This my marriage now. Not be saying my mind. Let me be the boss. As arrest, they comfortable for your husband. I can't get mad. Wait, don't fair cheat. Say that he dead two sister, he dead two friend for school. I like that kind of man. After he does cheat finish, he say he want to settle down. A lot get that cheat past my husband for school, for Amuchi, for university for Amuchi. My husband cheat tire. Two roommates, he don't dead there too. Two friends, he don't dead there. Not be saying na my mind. For the same hostel there, my husband na cheat her. He say he want cheat before he go settle down. And God come push that kind of man come meet me. My husband not the cheats. Yeah. And I see the letter they know. Say, my dear, not say make you not cheat. Oh. But if you want cheat, first divorce me first. Properly. Because we do common marriage. You understand? So I don't be that kind of woman where man they are to see. No. Great, all your dead here. I know they depend on man. You understand? Enoge, Mama Nora. You know, go try and say you want to leave my brother. If you try and say you want to leave my brother, you go collect. You go collect. Now, because I say no, you don't know yourself now. If you know yourself, who might go there is after the play ball. Anytime you can kick it, no get out at any time. Then no go call, go say my ass. The day when you go settle, you go say you go to claim my ass. When you can kick it, no get out at any time. You want to tell us say no, it doesn't have right in that house. Make a pursue my husband now. Whether they don't go see me for kiri. You see the difference of the level of men. When you see, because I want to pursue my husband, now so far go kill me. So far go pay us rent. Now so far go kill me. You understand me? So if they don't get the work, if they pay bill, I believe say you not go pursue and come out for us. You want die? Who want kind liability put for us? Who want put liability for us? If you don't get the work now, you pursue and come out for us. Oh boy, you not go reach train station where they go pick a no get up. If a no get a man wey know himself, if na man wey know say yeah this one a man, because he know, the girl wey want to put up for it, they know say that they want spread for a no get not get anything. That's why you see say if you throw away, nobody they agree they put for us. Nobody they agree they put up for us. More the while we make your warren. Situation you have pick her up. Person will get work. Everything there with her. You then why? You then why? They push a leg and come up for us like say na small picky. Only one way or bear where any hero. One woman no go they throw you up or down.
If you nyaga me, you the nyaga your mama, who be me when you no go fin nyaga. You the nyaga your papa, your sister, who be me when you no go fin nyaga. Mama Nora, if you come out, who you the beast that freedom. Proud mom na you born so. Proud mom na
Prama boy, why can't ever? Mama bia, maybe pure himena. Yeah. Why can this woman is really depressed? Why can pray mommy can metamu where? Ebra mommy bien na ro wo do na. Well ko. Ugu meti mo marriage we marriage kan we na. Ija, if I want born now, I feel born at any time now because I don't finish my project. Yes, as I did now, I don't free my body for my husband now. Yes, because waiting they shock me for neck. I don't do a come up for ground. Now, Bele can come at any time. Yes, because the project won't put for head. Wait, not the letter of the sea road. It don't settle. Now, don't they free my body now. Bele can enter at any time. Not the no waste time. Not be saying my mind. So what? What it could be? They tell your pet. He born. I wait because I'm if he born. Now you born. Me I not born. I born guy. I born the one where they do woman. I born the one where man they do. Why you come ever? Now, ask me are you the turn. I don't the plan picking. You know me not be say my mind because my project don't finish. And I want to make me the delay be that one. Now I can come in now. If you open now, if you pour inside at any time, but like I come at any time, just they let you they know. Because woman will if you protect himself. My pikin don't complete 4 years this month. Now you want complete 4 years. On Friday now my pikin will complete 4 years. My son, yes, what are the weights? I suppose I don't even born for long. But based on the project where I get for grad, I not feel born. And na money, now with the chest down, na calculation. This life na calculation. You understand? So you don't hear now. Now. But like I enter at any time, I feel they notice me about it now. Say, what did they happen? But they don't check you. No, say, hey, it don't happen. Or shall Now me they feel they run now. Now me they know when I take they free my body from man before you go enter me. You understand? Now they carry the bone, poor. I not get self-control. Mama Nora, I not be like you a boy every 6 months. Now you say now your children, I make your voice crack. You they want. You are born the way you feel take care of now. You will feel your bond the way you fit take care of. I know the bond pure. Now when my husband and my mother they isn't sing for my ear. And apart from saying my husband and my mother isn't sing, I talk and say if this project don't finish, now I'm ready to take it. So not be the one my husband and my mother talk. So now my decision. You didn't want. Say my prima double. If you
buy so the big person there at night with your 500 view, with your 1,000 view.
Now that one I see me. That 1,000 views, so I am so glad. Say you where I send the message to, you see him. Now you like your day portal, so far you see him. This message is for you. Say may you hear my advice. So if out of more than 500, you hear a Kote can reply me, I'm okay. You understand me, so now? So far you see him. Where me saga. So far you where direct the message go meet. You see I'm okay. The rest you, no problem. Out of 500 view, I be 1,000 you call her. But you see her, and now you are send the message to. Wow. Bravo. Bravo. You see her, you can't reply me. I'm okay. If the rest not come wash her, no problem. So far you where I read the message to, you see her, you can't reply me. You dey why? Who go with Saga? Mama not be like say Saga that they come up for your system. I better not try am. Let her come back again, yeah.
Martin Yagami. Where? Amaka Moria will get all your everything you don't know. Who get that more way as you want the answer resting. They were young answer resting. You spent 3 years. You spent 2 years. You reach your turn. You can't spend 100 years. The answer.
Efei, when we not get to say he go come out for December last year December. Why Efei never come out? You two say human traffic. Na meme. They don't say na the 8 years or 8 years to 50 years ogba. 50 years or wagba. That 50 years night and day calculator you the craze. You say na you fed they put you for prison 1 year they release you or now you go you carry 1 year they release you. They want say now human traffic or mama nyash. I be you know here where I say you never come out. No get where don't say fair you go come out for December. Do you know what is the meaning of mama nyash? Who as well? Now you be government. or take government, you are not other government.
Resting. We dey go exam one diagbo. We no be jouer the media. Na me no go finish gan. I pray my husband offend me. When I call me say make I stay or I join that group. Eh? Man, we know they beg gifts. Benin men, we know they beg gifts. They know they romantic.
After 4 children, you dey feel romantic. You dey play. You go dey trust our Benin men. Okay. Our wife finish you here. I know you know that. Oh, we're Betty man. Now me and say no get saga for this video. You beat me, my don't get work bear. Me and my brother. When I want Betty me and okay, yeah, we mother romantic. Who they guilty? You too stingy and okay. You too stingy. Mama Nara, you for see patient now. You say for una 1 year anniversary, he go buy you gift. Person wait you don't want. You know what tell me say all this content when they do when no get it say I want to buy you gift. na fake life na they live for there. I be na because you see say my husband buy me for my birthday time. And no reason number. We are not going for see 1,000 for take buy you phone. You don't want. You don't even believe for. We will buy you 1,000 for phone. Who is well? You don't want me, eh? No, my sister. If you know as a no get, you're not supposed to expect that kind of thing for you now. Why they do like this? You see the reason why they tell you say, many people, very soon, not go divorce for this in our marriage because of me, Romantic or not romantic, if I supposed to know, say, Benin boys, they're not there romantic. Ogun boy, wait me, what did they worry you? You want to run away? Benin boys, you don't know before, say, no, you're not there romantic before you enter. Okay, you there romantic, where you go to boss house and wait till you go give a no game, you don't want. Now, I'm at the there romantic. You don't know the shoe where you buy for market. You there crazy. You don't get resemble person where they romantic for your face. If you dey romantic, you want to dey romantic with you, with this your big breast. You know dey romantic with your children, now you want dey romantic with. Come and go and see that after 4 children, wait till they there again. When no you be a zaga, you talk when we romantic again. Romantic now go there again, my sister. You're at rest. That one when I take do marriage, when I cut to do the pepper, then 1 month it don't finish, money don't finish. My husband for 2 months or 4 days. Now he says it's not romantic. Are you okay? For 4 children. If you want the romantic now for your children, not be for you again. When my parents want where you talk. The time when me and my husband, I tell her, say, do you care for me? Even they are born for? He say yes. Where I don't born for and finish. Out of 100, now let 20 you get for me. The rest are for your children. You dey find romantic. They find romantic. For mother of 4 children with breast for full ground. I don't know where you got a romantic you over now. No, don't go stay your marriage where they find romantic. What do you want to worry you? You want to run away?
Now you go dey nyanga say problem dey my home. I say I want stay. My husband knows say me I no get sense. My husband knows say me na weary. My husband knows say my sense I don't lost 10 years. Ask her, go see this with the night they would beg me. I beg my wife. I be like una go they use una for any for husbands or in the name of
This one are opposite for inside though. Who they suffer for marriage? Me. Mama not beg, carry a glass. You know, say if this content what you do, you not pour a glass for face. I beg, pour a glass for face. Zoom my marriage. Look who they suffer for marriage. I resemble person where they suffer for marriage. Now me they enjoy for marriage. Mud will reach like this. My husband carry salary give me. Now me they know where they go. I know they suffer. I know give people carry money give you. Only a sincere marriage. My husband, I know how much the poster bag all of them. They know they give her again. I say he make on day now, and I they wash my husband email. I know how much. I know how much you go withdraw. Give me say, dear, take this one now. And I will manage. Till where they go pay again. The rest one, you know they ask me how you take use the money because you know where they go. You know where they go. Not be saying a mama. And no girl fit both. Even though say that they will carry money give you. You go fit try am. You no go fit. Now me be my husband manager. My marriage, I hold on gidigba. You don't watch the video where they record my husband. You watch that video. He said my parents say you not good. Your parents say I not good. But me and you, we good to each other. Because we know our words. We know our words. Now here's my talker. My family say you not good. You know, say family in that one that will call. Husband people say you not good. My people say my husband not good. If people say me not good. My husband will talk. He said, but for me and you, we good. Now they're not. Now they say we not good, but we good. Only that one will signify many things because waiting me and my husband talk for our marriage is stand. The one way that they talk now their home. Waiting me and he talk. If na 100%, 80% will be my own decision for inside because you know say waiting I talk. He write, he for puts, he hold control now. But if you reason my own say this my wife he good. Yeah, so I tell you go here decide say yeah, this your idea you're good. It stand. So Mama Nora opposite and they okay for my marriage. 24, that be say 100%. But with the quarrel. If you quarrel, we see settle. We ever ladder on the social media. Me now they back like dog. If my voice too sharp, my husband go wear cloth, he go move. You understand? That's how it be. So if woman don't born for children, she not go the romantic again. What you say make her talk, eh? What you say make her talk? You are not gonna resemble person where they romantic, eh? Not gonna resemble person where they romantic. You don't know the kind of husband where he marry. If I thought say my husband don't romantic now, when I say days I do pepper there, so I don't want to go that area. Eh? You hear that? Now Mama Nora is my talkamo. He say your husband will not dey romantic. What did they expect? What did he marry? He say Benin people will not dey romantic. That be me talkamo. Eh? When you know say no get not dey romantic, you see can yo. He say make come marry him. He will take her. Not be money there na romantic day. Money not them romantic not go there. What?
It's more. If you put your body, if you bring your body, if the man go
okay,
use
spread
you.
the bed.
Let man know say without you, I not go fit live. Without you, I not go fit take care of the children. Man go use your life. Now he make her voice crack. Come my house. Person I get visitor, they will to pay. And man around you, you no wonder your voice crack. You they try, you they try. My guests, they pass soldier. And my brother they know say they born guests when he pass boy. Cause the way they if I only live there alone, live there. They know it where voice go take crack. Then a man you beat time, now man you beat time. Now there, that was there. That was there when people they bear nonsense. I be like woman with they bear nonsense for husbands. Why the nail move? Make people not laugh me.
Mama Nora, I thought that go fire you. The way you tell Sagami and they not get for this video, now talk that out. Talk that way not get respect of her boy. You have for package for your husband now. You have for see cover for her. We cover. Mama Nora, you don't forget so soon. You be like say I'll go they cut all your video come outside again. Where you knew marriage, where you they do like this, where you they do like this. When now you don't forget. Yeah. You know, you're saga, eh? I don't know how to tell you. Because you thought to say, if your marriage not let you stay, you will come out. My sister not come out. I be your number one enemy. That God knows, say, you say, I beat my mama, I beat my papa, I beat my mama. Who will be you when not beat you? Don't submit. But, oh boy, let me be sincere to you. It not go good for you. It not good for your marriage time, not bath. When God lost, they say your marriage time. Who will finish my way no gay. You know if you say, okay, may you see saga me some more. May you see cover for a no gay. Despite say you know what cool. If you the vessel where you're not a way, you know what be my back. That's why I don't know someone called saga. No gay. I want to call saga you. Oh, when I listen to the video, I want that for laugh. Who have it be man we are that for where by when oh well, my husband will not be romantic. My husband not see the romantic for his house. I'm not be bini, my husband not be bini now won't she? Because if I can't say my husband they romantic, now go be like say they put fire for your own. Now the same thing they happen to me, not your verse. Verse sometimes you guess you see the romantic. Because what did that my husband pray? Now money. Because he doesn't talk and say if pikin not go school for Italy. Now America or Canada. You see, if that small boy, if they receive that kind of big thing for his head, if they imagine say that this 2000 something where they appear, now you want to carry a pikin go school for America, you see, romantic not that I can't put my eye, look my husband tell her say, honey, you know the romantic. My dear, you not go school, my children go school. So you see, if my husband feed the talk, even the thing say my husband see they use at the brand. Every time the thing they come here say, now the work where you go they walk. Okay, go as for the other one. Now this work where they for the get 2030. Now you want to go school picky for America. Now I said, dear, if now only one, if you want make it go for America, make it go, but it go be the only daughter where you get. So that my man not be that do yeah. For your son, anything where you do, you go live her for that. You go see also your own. You know, if it's not compulsory, say you must carry the two children, say they want to go America, but they go school. He said, no, his children must go. But what is the thing? Now, this work when they work so, whether for the pay 2005, then, now, dear me, I say, for come in to back him up. You see, if there as a good wife, I said, dear, not take out too much. Before that time, why you not buy us now? Before the time when your pikin they prepare to go America, you go know say that time you don't pay this ass rent money, you don't buy the money, you don't pay and finish. There you don't call the ticket by ass rent again. You know go this one that could be your ass. There any money we come to see now your children. There I call the time my husband say he not there romantic away. Where they tip plan about I say pikin must school for America. Are you okay? You see, our marriage not be different thing. You see, we are for coming. You know, if they pay us rent, he's picking the school for America. You go say at the age of 40, oh yeah, I pay you go wow. You understand? So as you don't bring the idea, not to me to contribute to the idea. When I give idea, boom. He recalculator. Money will take they pay this ass rent. He reached it. My picking go complete that so amount. You understand? It's a plan. Now, he said, yeah, this your idea good. But I want to come in there. That one can be our privacy. Nobody will know. You understand me so? Because anything we talk, it stand and it works. You see, Mama Nora, you cannot be expecting a man make up the romantic. Especially when a no is not working. You understand me so? Especially when you know they work so. How you wanted the romantic? Children go there, they go need something. They'll go say, okay, they wait for social government to bring. And you not get money for her. You see, make the think. If you not get see work, do you believe say you go work? They say work, they jam me. If you want to see, that you cause away, not get the liability. Woman go today. Man go today, now the woman had the day. If he fall today, now the woman had the day. You have to build your husband. Social media not go work out. If na me and you dey mumu for social media, go make the man dey work. Man no dey live fake life again. Tell no get me go work. Social dey come there, come dey help you. If you tell social say my husband need work, he go give. Except no get no one work. Oh, start shouting. They say the man not very romantic. Well, not to not they plan anything. This one they think about woman. This one you don't feel they romantic. When you people they plan, where good thing go they come. And that day will be my husband they plan this thing. Romantic he did here. Let me say we sit down. Me I sleep, he sleep. The next thing, I wake up for night, I want go peace. My husband see put eye, he open eye for ground. He they look silly. He they look up. He no close eye, no sleep. Ah, you go work the next day. I don't let you wait till they happen. Wait till you they think. I go peace, I go better for his house. We let that dear wait till they happen. He said, dear, this salary why they see so every month, so 2,000 something. I want me my picky go school for America. I said, you serious? Say your picky, you want me go school for America? Not be school they go for a year. He said, no. That's okay. If you not fit carry the two, carry one. You go be the girl. Now that why you dey think? He said, how the will be say don't fit. Better how? Now this 2,000 something is a plan. As for me, I don't talk. That's what they do. We will not go heavy us at the age of 40 something. At the age of 40. Meditate not heavy us too much. That's what they do. Because if they pay us rent, they sell body for your pikin for school, he go carry body heat. Why will not just fare as bad? The time when your pikin they prepare to go to America, go school, then you don't come up for us tenant, you don't become a landlord of your own. If you go to think about your school, your pikin school, you not go to think about us rent, say you want to pay. Now let be. That's how my husband look me. He draw me near body. Romantic dot there. The next thing, myogo. Okay, bravo. Now don't spread the bed. Bravo. Yeah, go. Clap for yourself. Okay. Man, I'll come give you my cheese later. Yeah, go. So you see, for the romantic come. It's not compared to say your husband will buy you something. You understand? The next thing, I don't give her a solution for there. Mother only think they don't go get solution. Now we will be woman go back there up. Now you're coming at mine is not romantic. Even me now every dream say my pikin will go school for America. I don't know where they carry my pikin, they go America. Oh, I go school, stay with. He said now about the school. So I said that man don't they put that kind of thinking for a man. And it's the best for my daughter. What do I do? I support him. I give her the best idea. Yes. As I also tell her, everything they where. That is life. If they feel romantic. Mama, now that is the fact. Plan with your husband. Must he buy you something? Must he buy you gifts? If he come for a man, he give you. Money not they may go thief. The way you take thief. Go thief boss out with egg. No. Think with your husband. Not be saying, when I want to do birthday. I not tell my daddy say I want to do birthday. I not tell my daddy say, today na my birthday. Now when my husband buy phone, come give me. Now I call my daddy say, daddy, my husband don't buy me phone for my birthday. Today na my birthday. My papa say, you know where? Today na your birthday. You don't know your birthday. Now I say, a person where they are already they celebrate birthday. If not be say my husband buy me phone, what it concern me with birthday? If your man know your worth, he go know say yes, this my wife daughter. He go buy you gifts. Not look material things. Even this one when my husband buy for me, I calculate am. During that time, when my husband they never complete the project, I say, you know how many this 1,004. So you know how much you go contain for that house. You know how much. But I say accept her. Material things, leave them. He not buy you gift. After 4 children, they fair gifts. If he choose to buy you, you take. But not be that one you come for. He not there romantic. How you wanted there romantic? Where that one not plan, you not plan. You see the plan when my husband bring on, I bring my uncle for the romantic ether. I must still buy you something, but not say them romantic. You soon and when are there after material things. What he call past material things say you give your husband the best idea after the woman comfy sleep. After they don't myogo, they don't do ofoko, he don't do and finish. Sleep take up. Which romantic will not reach there? He get what is sweet pass that one. He get what is sweet pass that one. What if they find material things tomorrow the thing go spoil or tomorrow the thing go tear? Now that one you they find. Different way you buy for me, but they tell her for instance. You know how much I calculate for Nigeria money. You know how many projects supposed to work for them our ass will build that time. You know the word we follow this. We say okay, what can call me a grateful person? Say, now I say I not to say you know if I even tell, but I play this video for my husband, make my husband come back for where he go. He will say now I buy you phone. Now you they complain. I buy you phone now. I buy you phone. Say now person that thought say your husband not the romantic. Baby buy you phone now. You turn outside. I said, dear, that is a woman who they after material things. Like who like to they do pepper there like my mate buy one buy. That is the kind of woman mama not a be. So he already spoiled the tea for the beginning. Because if you want to do all this tea, you don't need to burn many. Dead oh yeah, go. You don't want.
Will not laugh me. What did they want to talk? What did they want to talk? What did they want to talk? He's afraid of me. What did they want to talk? He's afraid of me. What you want to do? Post. What you want to do? You come out, you talk. I will not get problem from now home.
We get to.
How will you ask arrested? We they quite down me.
Oh, what you gile? I gile. Muna baba. Oh, what you gile? Oh, gile. Oh, as you talk, so if you say I go bring my last gile, we remember I call is it for social media. I see gile. What you gile? Ye Laura. Oh, what you gile? Me maje ugwe. Me maje la ogbo no ya do egi mu. O la we do boss asimu. Imara de toge. Betty rane o itoge. I don't lie, I don't tifo. My aunt meet my mama money. I tip my mama die. Oh, apart from that one, Imara de. And nobody will come and say I don't thief. Oh, what you gile? You want gile wara my sister? I told him my way. You want to get married? Eh, ya lo dem in school. Ya da la be gongon. Zobo ice cream. Avizo. What you gile? We no job ajewo. Je give me bossas.
Omo no gbije in public. Me gbiji me. Ma gbiji me ma awara pogbe so it will be on WhatsApp. 3 days not go here for me. When no gbije in public. Omo dagi abiagi agbo. Ojogile ewe.
Ti presentiamo Finish Ultimate Plus.
Gile ni bebe bu ya we video me ibe du mo a. Owo je gile. Egile we raw awole. No worry. I will go. I go carry egile come outside. Egile ni we do mu ni we dey ya le bai. Egile no wa we raw awona. That egile where I do that time. Where I take Pepe DJ Goat. Oh we ra. Oh why you le be ta we je gile. Ye no ra igo be ya te. Abi be pare Nigeria ya do egile mu. I'm here gile we bo. I say you order for them. Oh, I remember. When I disappear, go Nigeria, go Tife Gile, and I disappear a day. No. Of Weje Gile. Opposite. Oje boss, I might put the boss as here. I know why they talk about put the oh, I pray my Christian. Oje boss as here. Nyavo. Oh, whenever you know ya ta would do Gile. Oh, yabo, bossa sound eggy. Mola send me the picture of Nageta of Ejegbe we made the bossas him. You tip bossas because of love. Oh, he's sacrificing, he's stealing of egg. Oh, why you boy yari saga? I will get the video, may you get the picture, I will get them more. I don't know where I put her. Oh, Ubege. See, I'm gonna sit there. Like you talk about that. You might be very well no give it over your wa. No. Ginoro ma show. Ginoro ma show. Oh, we not go there for marriage. You work with my venogie. We are gamo at least. Who made the order for wet way now? Who made the battle for wet way? Who work with my vacuum?
Contro lo sporco bruciato per rimuovere le macchie.
Oh, wow, Saresi. Voila.
You get one person for this about space we be saying Italian government want take her life for house arrest. Or yet that the way you want the house arrest. Hey, the person want talk, he say, Mama Nora, if you leave your husband, I go to beat you for this media. I go to finish your life for this media. You better you update that marriage. My question is, our sister, we want that for house arrest. You feel finish your mama for this media. You feel finish your papa for this media. Your sister, you feel finish her. Who be me when you don't go feel beat? Since when me take get belle, when they beat me according to you. She beat the beat, they pitch me for body, abi. Me when you they beat, I get freedom. You when they beat me, you there with.
Bring your documents. But man, I just show your document. May I show my document? Person with the house arrest allegedly. Me no house arrest. My own documents trespassing. You dey feel am? I dey house arrest. Osalo bana yo omopia omoku ona ya bime ona ya gan agan pia ona ya gbuwe omoku oni wa biele una wa biela wa shawo biela wa shawo biela wa shawo biela wa shawo ibiopia we house arrest ina bioko we house arrest ina mebe we house arrest when we freedom e bime na strong so we umabere we owa na when we are gbe me my sister we mere house agbo mame ya kiwa on Saturday imayiwe ya boy imaya shawe ya bowa owo the house arrest nije sadoba we say we ade on that house arrest self if na photo so na lo show ate be that house igbidiara aye ya bowa ye nora me mamudia ye po ya bowa imamudia ye po ya gbashawe ya bowa owo da meje bi bowa you see a day inside the house arrest e no get no that fool when on freedom on mighty bowa o to e ka o tiri o bega we women we are sa guy me we why where on Saturday yeah now they open my house. You know that's the reason why I not fit come out yesterday. The call was too much stress. I said the call was too much. Now I decided to go cook. You understand? I don't want to stress myself too much. I don't want to stress myself. Yesterday is I make all my calls yesterday. You understand? Today I be say why is that arrest? Like your video where I see now make me come out. If not tomorrow I want that live video again. Because today now I see how you dey talk. I dey say this phone. Say I said off. No battery again. We back away battery for now. Call is and receive. You see, call now is and receive. A battery. If I finish this live video, I have to go charge it before you go off because I hear call the call. You understand me? So before you go off, may I play one record for you. May no say I not get your time. Now the people wey work on there, now they give me voice note so. Now my phone I take the call before the phone go off. Sir, listen.
Mama ijere ene oyo uwe aturi a oyo ware aro ma ore ebe wo me awe boys me ma ware ba no e ma sa uwe aturi we gi me.
You understand me so? So I dey receive my call for inside house. I dey do one or two things. You understand? I don't receive control yesterday, so I no fit do live video today. The same thing. You see, now the chairman of the community, now there, so they say them I must, I call us how many people now be where now will come. Man, know as I take arrange food. You understand? He talk in your side. Okay, I call these people. They talk since I say you be. Oh, why here here now? In my yashawe yagbe. I for not still come out today because the call I received yesterday scatter my brain. And I just tell God say, person wey want me even cook self, he quit disappoint me. He quit just disappoint me. If not, he quit disappoint. I don't even he quit disappoint. He quit disappoint me because my godmother dey there. His family go, his people will feed your cook because they will go there. You understand? They will go there. I wish I know you see another person immediately. Oh boy, yeah. Oh yeah, you forward the money give my godmother people. Oh yeah, make them follow up with the cooking. You understand? Make them follow up with the cooking. That's why you be. Now the call you receive yesterday. I even saw the verse. So that's how life be. So mama no right, my you guys shower ya bowa. As arrest with grace. Anything now. I want to thank my mommy. Now God will bless you. For you to support me with 100,000 for cooking. Wow, I could not thank my mommy for me. I bless her for me. I could not pray for not be saying that my mind be a joke. I pray may not be this phone. She not be saying that my mind. See how godmother where they try, now they try. My godmother. My godmother. I pray make the receipt today here. Oh. Yeah. God will bless you, mommy. Yeah. You bag 100,000 here, me. I don't know how to take cancer. Yeah. Now, yeah. To support cooking. Godmother where they try, now they try. Say 100,000. Godmother where they try, now they try. You understand? Support for cooking. Mother where they try, now they try. You don't want. Where the cheese? Mother where they try, now they try. Because he was dead there. My mama go dead there. Even they say they there abroad. He must send people go there. My daddy must dead there. Even they not there in Nigeria, he must dead there. Now his daughter now do bidas. Now they upwas. That's why I not go celebrate her here. I don't want to celebrate my picky birthday that will call cake for Nigeria. Now that one be the main disappointment where they inside. So the person will want to do cake for me. He say, now if I give him work, oh, he does see work with big pass that one now. He say no, fill me top. So now today, now that person want give me another person number one. I want to take a person who will do cake for me. For my picky now Nigeria, they want to cut the cake. You understand? Now so you understand now, Mama Nora? You understand? Mom, oh yeah. Mama quiet. You wash out your boa and not be your mates. You understand? As a rest in organic. As a rest in muda ikokba. You understand? So you hear me tell
Mama ijere ene oyo uwe aturi a oyo ware aro ma ore ebe wo me awe boys me ma ware ba no e Mana sa. Do we actually work in there?
They say if I want calm down, make the letter. No worry, I know they calm down, I dey. When I hear my husband, mama, I even tell her say my husband, mama.
Opa itu ramija wa medeva eje me yareba ni yangareba. Itu babala. Yabe ave ni onika deliver no deliver in Nigeria na ketu reshabet itu babala.
That is my response today. My husband, mama, dead there. My mommy, my papa, my mama, they dead there. Not be my biological papa or my godmother. There are people dead there. My papa brothers, my papa sisters, they dead there. So, my own papa dead there. My godmother, he go say person go there. My godfather go say person go there. Hey, my papa, my mama don't already dead there already lah. So they ginya gagba me ba. So voila, you get person was supposed to hook up for my papa family. Where the will be Egbe. Now it could be Egbe now for the family now. My uncle give me that number. As I hear the live video, so as I hear remember, so if I want to start to make call again, I will call her. Now he go count me for my husband leg. You understand? According to tradition. You understand? Now Benny, now he count me for my husband leg. Now he will be a bed that day. So that man need to call her very, very important. As I hear this live video, so as I hear her more, I need to hear this live video, but I go call her. So oh, come on, come give me a number again, I take call her. You understand it, Anna? As arrest no God. As arrest grace. As arrest we not use Oloshote builders. As arrest we not start for poor. They builders. But Mandara, you need to cut out for the house arrest. House arrest we get document where strong pass your own. I fit this and go Nigeria. Come back again. Oh, we're meeting your Joe with the credit Jamie for there. House arrest no God. House arrest we they comfortable for your husband ass. But that one not me say we know they get quarrel with the gates. I don't fit us say we know they get EJ Basbo like the one we happened last 2 weeks. Where you know allow me talk to my people, you can't end the live video. That it pay me as hear that live video. You know shout we follow that live video. Where they do live video. You call the draft for the head that call. She heard the live video. You know the shout many things we follow that thing. Oh my God, so if you carry a shirt, you come out for us. Even last week here, like they tell you so. If I want to agree, if I tell you say me and my husband will not the quarrel, you lie. I lie for you. My all is perfect. If you talk about that romantic, my sister, not be materialist, that be romantic. You understand? Children don't they demand. Now that children now you and you go the plan for. Now that one I pass romantic. If my husband if you put that kind of thinking, I never put that kind of thinking, say my pikin go school for America. Me I go America go school. Me I even finish SS3. Now Italy there for born, now me they see my pikin for face. I need to dey see her, go school, go come back, I will go ring bell, I go open door for her. Not be saying go come and go America, they for here they call her for video call. I don't know how it is. My husband say, pikin no fit stay with you forever. Not be the good thing you the helper. You need to send her go school in case if you see your husband, man no fit use and see and take do yeah. There you go. You understand? So me they think and say my pikin no fit leave me. I no fit leave my pikin. Oh, I don't know how they go do it for that side. Oh, now my husband said they play. Now your house you go there forever. If my uncle say one marry uncle, then you can say you have to go school. If that kind of man, if they think that kind of beating for your brain, you say, man, not grab the opportunity with her. I pray. You understand? Hey, man, romantic on there. My dear, not the expect romantic for your husband, yeah? The only thing when I forget romantic, now for you not to think about on a pikin. Plan good life for una pikin. That is all. You understand? So that romantic of material things, may go buy you things, you can call the romantic. Oh, Joe. Who you want to oppress? Who you you want to press? Don't go face your life, make the fair romantic say it no get not the romantic as well. Well, when we go one go.
Mama, and you
Look at you. Oh, yeah, you people should go. What happened? No, go. After tomorrow you go school. Then the call come and say you the wrong purge tomorrow. Why do you even worry here? Why worry for? More FIFA.
Take the house arrest. See, when people want to talk, they fear me. Now una they fear them. Now una they fear what people want to talk. What people want to talk, they fear me. Now only children and cough get right to take my voice. They never bother man when go take say stress go carry my voice. Now make I say what people want to talk, they fear me. Now una they fear what people want to talk. That yours said that marriage. The marriage they give award. It's what we did the marriage. Anybody they give award. Instead, people they pay for the marriage. People they benefit for the marriage. And if you don't leave that marriage, Amanara, not let me hear you. Anything we not get you do you. If you not quarrel, you know your talk come out to. Because of you, when they house arrest, I can't really get problem from my house. I said because of you, may I not talk come out or because
who you want to go help you? Answer me. Now who of course is that laugh you? The one with the laugh you say you tip boss ass. You see, the way you with the laugh you say you tip boss ass and air so. Ma be do ya girl wa talk come as now. Now how do go? You better just shut up on your marriage. Go there, go and relax on your marriage. Do or die, you die there. Because no man will marry you again. You milk no you take baby well more. When I do a marriage. For your man now, say if you come out now, no get no see woman we go put her for us. That's why say the liability, the grace. No get no man now. You can use it to play ball at any time. You as well.
Of Mona not beat me, man, not carry my bag. I talk again. Waiting people want to talk, they fear me. Yes. If waiting people want to talk, if you see me, they run. Now they fear them. You know, did they give award in our marriage now? Did they give us the award? Then I one man, because they stress my life, they'll go say, hey, oh, they go to beat me, oh, hey, oh, they go to yaga me, oh, and who say me they not beat her, who say me they not laugh her, they go crying. They better laugh me than to cry me. I don't did that category.
Not try my sister. Let's try, I think see that ring where they flung that time. You know, say, I bet the ring all black. No be ring, ring. I bet might see the ring. Might see the ring. I fit show you the ring where me and my husband don't do common marriage. 2018. It's still dating now. We buy her 500. Then the be my wife I said we cut marriage in Mau for abroad here. You see your day now night. You say I go bring her. I go show you. We're not going to wear flaunt. The ring don't black. May I see the ring now? The one where I bet 2018 still there. I not to see the ring for your hand again. Oh yeah, our community wife.
Say I don't want put to make a beer. If the nonsense too much, the abuses say he did no hope for the quarrel. But if he too much, I carry my bag and leave. If you nyaga me, you the nyaga your mama, who be me when you no go fin nyaga. You the nyaga your papa, your sister, who be me when you no go fin nyaga. Mama Nora, if you york of mouth, who you the beast that de freedom. Proud mom na you born so. Proud mom na you born so. With the beast person there at night, with your 500 view, with your 1,000 view, you want to nyaga me. Where? Amaka Moria will get all your everything you don't know. Uye dagmo we ya fi wan ya saresi e we ya le asaresi ya spend 3 years ya spend 2 years e reach your turn u can spend 100 years be asaresi u dey ko exam mu adiagbon we no visual media na me no go fin yan. I pray my husband offend me when come tell me say make I stay or I join that group. Man, we know they beg gifts. Benin men, we know they beg gifts. They know they romantic. Now you go the nyaga say people let them at home and say I want stay. My husband knows say me I don't get sense. My husband knows say me now wearing. My husband knows say my sense I don't lost 10 years. Ask can go see this with the night they would they beg me. I beg my wife. I be like una go. Ma go they use for any for husband.
You see, Mary, 2018.
If you put your body,
you see, Mary,
put your body down, man go.
2018.
Let man know say without you.
You see, Mary, why they took common marriage? SLO guy here for Joy Store where they for the sell gold. Now for by 2018, see me and my husband. You see, you see how?